Damn, sunshine got me up on my bed, goddamn me. I had to get on up. So what I'm doing here is just some homemade French fry, goddamn me, and a triple cheeseburger with bacon, goddamn me. The key to doing these potatoes is skip a beat every so inch and a half or so. So that way you still get a little bit of that skin when you drop it in the grease. The skin is really healthy, in case y'all didn't know that, goddamn me. So yeah, I'm gonna do about 7 of these before I go ahead and drop them in the hot grease, heating up at 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Cause these some huge ass potatoes right here. So just stay tuned. Stay tuned. I'm rinsing these potatoes off, goddamn me. I said I was gonna use 7, but shit, man, these potatoes were so damn big. I ended up like using like 3, maybe 4 at the most. And look at all these potatoes I got. I'm about to eat good up in this joke on L-Fine. Watch. Sunshine, you got me up now. It's on the popping. Rinse these off real good. I like my potatoes fresh. Because if you don't rinse them off, you can kind of taste that after you get done cooking and eat them, you can taste that stuff in these French fries, believe it or not. You'll think the grease will fry everything off, but you can taste that stuff and give it kind of like a filthy, like a dirty taste. I can't describe it, but I always rinse my potatoes off when I cut them and make homemade French fries. Well, these things so thick, these pretty much gonna be homemade steak fries. Give me a second, I'm gonna tune y'all back in. I need my other hand, goddamn me. And that's crazy. I wasn't even about to cook none today, but Sunshine got my lazy ass up out that bed today. I had to get up after saying all that good stuff she cooked, man. She could cook her ass off, goddamn me. Like, man, I'm just so damn surprised. Like, that lady could fucking cook. I'll hire her in my restaurant any goddamn day. $25, $50 an hour, head chef. Come on, Sunshine, let's run this motherfucker. Let's make some money up in here. Had everybody in the city, goddamn me, coming to my restaurant. But I'm preheating my grease right now. I got the oven preheating at 350, goddamn me, because I'm gonna bake my hamburgers instead of my cheeseburgers instead of frying them this time. We're gonna decide to do something a little healthy. I already got my steak fries rinsed off, goddamn me. So just I'm tuning y'all back in. Let me prepare this meat. And I don't know if we got potato fans out here, but these are the best potatoes you can get right here. Let me check. The bag's so damn heavy. Oh, these premium jumbo. Right there. I think I got these from Walmart. Yeah, them the best potatoes right here, y'all. These jumbo premium potatoes. Go get these right now. I promise you. You peel 2 potatoes, it'll feel like you peeled the whole bag on well fine. God damn me, hold on. Just preparing this pan, goddamn me, for these double, triple cheeseburgers. This shit about to be straight butter on well fine. I'm about to take it down through that. Watch. I might eat me 2 plates. Okay, god damn me, where's my damn hamburger? Let's see. Hamburger. I'm getting y'all a good look of the shelves. Refrigerator, the freezer. Oh, it's down here. I forgot. I keep all my meat down here that's on thawing. Because if you don't, that shit'll drip all down. I normally keep my my fruit down there, but you know you got you some goddamn good ass hamburger when you see that blood, that red blood like that. Yummy. All right, let me get this away from my potatoes. Y'all already know what time it is, goddamn me. It's time to mix the season. Garlic, onion, French fry seasoning, meat seasoning, Memphis style barbecue season. That is really good in any type of meat. I don't give a hell if it's pork chops, hamburger, goddamn me, chicken, anything. And of course you can't go without your salt and your pepper, goddamn me. So stay tuned. I'm about to go ahead and mix all this up and get ready to drop it back in this pan and throw it in the oven that's heating at 350 degrees Fahrenheit, goddamn me. Just give me a second. Stay tuned. Alright, here we go, goddamn me, a little meat seasoning. Some people may say that's too much seasoning. You just gotta know how to season your goddamn meat. Don't put too much of nothing in there. You gotta know how to, we're gonna do a little garlic powder. You gotta know how to season your meat. The certain correct measurements of each item to put in on your meat. You stir it right. And when they go to cook in there, once you get to that certain temperature, the heat, when they go to cook in there, you will taste it real light, in other words, because you got to think about the juices that accumulate when you do cook. That kind of drains out a lot of the seasoning too, especially if it's a juicy type of meat, you know. But other than that, a little pepper and then a little salt. And then what I'm gonna do is, obviously y'all already know the drill. Not too much salt. Obviously y'all know the drill. Pretty much roll and press as if I was, this is how I do mine, as if I was making homemade bread, as if I was dealing with some dough right now. Just the best way to incorporate all your seasoning into your meat. I promise you, once you cook this and you get done, and you throw some cheese and whatever other condiments you recommend on here, you're going to taste all that seasoning. And it's going to be well even, well flavored. Not too salty, not too non-salty. It's going to be just right, I promise you. But you got to do it right. Smelling great, all goddamn ready. I'm so hungry I can eat it raw. Damn, they're getting meat all up my fingers. Straight yummy. Boy, I gotta excuse me. I'm working with one hand right now. This is so uncomfortable. I gotta get me a damn camera. That way I could just sit it on my stove, goddamn me, and record and cook with hands free. Baby, use both of my hands. Pretty much tossing my meat as if you would do dough. Incorporating all them seasons I just put in there. Evenly distributing it to all throughout the meat. It's the plan. Evenly distributing it throughout all of the meat. Goddamn meat. Yummy, 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 motherfucking yummy. Stay tuned. Now it's time to make the patties. There we go. Just made me fat ass hamburger, 4 hamburger patty, goddamn me. Now I've been had the oven preheating up already, goddamn me. It's nice steaming and hot. It's time to bake the shit out these motherfuckers, boy. They about to be straight yummy, straight butter. Okay. In the meantime, this grease should be hot enough now, goddamn me. I just washed my hands real good. So, I'm about to go ahead and drop these fries in here. They already rinsed off. Always kind of test it. It's not hot enough for me. I always throw that one in there first. If you throw all of them in there and it ain't hot enough, that shit gonna be soggy as hell. I'm cool on that. So, just give me a second till they get a little bit hot and I'll drop all the rest of them in, goddamn me. Alright, I'm gonna go ahead and drop a few more in there. I got that big ass D shelf pot. You can put a whole bag of potatoes in these mug, boy. A lot of steak fries in here. Oh yeah, oh yeah. Homemade French fries, homemade steak fries right here. Look at all my fries I was able to get in there, and you see it's still cooking, bubbling. That's how you know when your temperature is hot enough. Because when you throw a lot of fries in there and it's not hot enough, you won't see as many bubbles as you see right now, goddamn me. So that's exactly how you know your fried grease is at the right temperature. Still boiling and frying after the whole bowl of fries I just put in there. Stay tuned, I'll tune y'all back in. This for you, Sunshine. And in chef school, you should really supposed to cook all your potato product first. I just want to let y'all know that y'all saw me put the meat in there before I did the potatoes, but I'm going to cook the meat at a real slow pace. So that's the reason why I cook my potatoes fast. But pretty much, rule of thumb is you're supposed to always cook like potatoes, anything that'll take longer to cook. You're always supposed to drop that first so they give it time to cook, which I didn't do in this situation due to the fact that I'm going to slow cook my hamburger anyway. I'm baking it, not frying it. So just had to let y'all know that, FYI. Stay tuned. These are the seasonings, once again, that I use in my hamburgers. So just to let y'all know, I'm gonna go ahead and put these all back up now. Since I'm all done. Hamburgers in the oven. They about to go down up in here on well fine. Boy, them homemade steak fries still over there doing this thing. Y'all already know what time it is. A little milk. Homemade liquid cheese, goddamn me. So we're just gonna let this heat up for a little bit, goddamn me, till it get kind of to like a boiling point. We're gonna drop a couple of them bad boys in there right there, and we'll find. And that's gonna be for the homemade steak fries, homemade liquid cheese. Homemade steak fry, goddamn me. Let's take a look real quick and see how these hamburgers doing, goddamn me. Oh yeah, it's looking great. Juicy. You can actually smell the seasoning. Just gotta flip them real quick. Ooh, that motherfucker fat. That's a big boy right there. Should be using the spatula right now, but dishes in the dishwasher once again. Oh yeah, get it about another 15-20 minutes. I like my shit well done, goddamn me. Stay tuned. Alright, now as you can see, it's pretty much reaching that boiling point. So I'm gonna go ahead and drop my cheese in here. And what that'll allow, it would allow it to start melting and dissolving pretty quick. And that's how you get that liquid cheese. And I gotta add other like ingredients and different type of seasoning in there. But I'm not gonna reveal that. So stay tuned, goddamn me. I gotta finish putting cheese in here. I need my other hand. Damn, them motherfuckers so juicy. Oh yeah. What's triple cheeseburger without the bacon? Gotta have the bacon, goddamn me. Gotta have that bacon. Fries doing this thing, I'm almost done. The liquid cheese over here settling. We'll stir that back up in a few. Oh yeah. Yummy, 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 goddamn me. Yummy, yummy, yummy. I'll let my bacon speak for me. Here we go, we just wrapping it up, goddamn me. These are the condiments I'm gonna put on there. Just some tomato, lettuce, mustard, and ketchup. I need to go to the store to get the rest of the stuff like pickles and mayonnaise and like shit like that, and onions and all that shit, etc. But pretty much just finna ready make everything, goddamn me. Look at that, yummy, 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 yummy. That gonna be juicy as hell right there. I'm about to straight take this down through that on the thing. Well thing on well thing. My fries pretty much about done. I'm just wanting to get a little darker. But that's what you call the true definition of steak fries. Hey, turn that off. You got that too loud, man. Turn that off. Please turn that off. I can't hear on the phone. I want to make sure they be able to hear me. But thank you, I appreciate it. You're the best. But yeah, it's pretty much waiting until it get a little darker. We're gonna go ahead and hit everything up in this motherfucker. Gonna wrap it on up. Well, fine. Stay tuned though. Stay tuned. Just letting this sit over here drain all this damn grease out. It's gonna be good though. It's gonna definitely be good. Now look at that goddamn. Look how golden and crispy homemade these steak fries are. Crispy as a motherfucker. Now tell me what homemade steak fries you're gonna see better than these right here. Not nobody's. Look at that right there. Yummy, yummy, yummy. Goddamn motherfucking yummy. Just let this sit over here and drain out all this damn grease. And it's gonna be time to take this shit down through there on everything straight butter. On everything straight butter. Let me tune y'all back in. Let me get all this out of here so I can bring it down with salt. Nick, goddamn me. The time has arrived, goddamn me. Let me get this fat motherfucker right here. Top it off with 2 pieces of bacon. Get another one of these fat motherfuckers right there. Yummy. Yummy, yummy, yummy. I just gotta add my ketchup and mustard. Yummy, 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 yummy. Tune y'all back in. Let me get the cheese for the fry, goddamn me. Double cheeseburger, goddamn me, with bacon, lettuce, and tomato. Y'all already know what it is. About to take it on down through there. Homemade cream style cheese. Yeah, it's kind of lumped up, but I like it kind of thick. Yummy, 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 yummy. Yummy. Yummy, 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 yummy. Give me a second. Let me give me some more ketchup. Go ahead and dig into one of these fries for starters. Man, they so damn good. I'm finna go jump out of a window. I'm gonna dig in. Here's sunshine. I know you want to bite. Here you go. Yummy. Damn, I gotta go. I gotta get out of here.